Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and we have been posting a lot of fall tutorials and things on shopdeeslouisville.com, but I know there's a lot of Halloween lovers out there, so we are going to start posting some of the adorable Halloween stuff we have coming in, including this eyeball stem. How fun is that? It sold out last year, so we actually got two different styles in, and they're fun because they're on those little spirals, so they move. If you put them in a swag, you're going to open your door, and I'm going to pair it with another stem and put it in one of our floral swag kits. So when you want to make a Halloween one for maybe that boxwood wreath or that lantern, you can grab this one online. We will have other ones too, so if you don't like the eyeballs, there'll be another one coming up soon. But look at this, another adorable stem we paired it with. It's got the black and white stripe, but on the opposite side, it's black and white polka dot. It's so cute. So that's gonna be the backdrop, and we're gonna do it like normal. I'm gonna start with this one, just chop the stem off. You've got three cute spirals on there, so one's kind of gonna go down like we normally do on a swag. And then the other two are gonna go up, one off to the side. Next, we've got the eyeballs, and I like these because they have the eyeballs, but it also has something else kind of fun in it. It reminds you of the summer swags we did with the flip-flops and the pineapples. It just adds a little texture. So go on and move those little eyeballs around. Put that right on top. Oh, got it stuck. Put it right on top of the other one there. Kind of move them around, but again, once you put it on there, you can move them around wherever you want because it's all wired. I'm gonna bring an eyeball down, and now I'm ready to add ribbon. Look how pretty it pops on that green. Or again, if you have lanterns at home, you can twist that right onto a lantern. How fun is that? And these are perfect too. You can twist these on just for Halloween for the trick-or-treaters if you have lanterns on your porch or a wreath on your front door. And then as soon as Halloween's over, twist them off, twist your fall back on there. So now I'm gonna do my ribbon. So I chose 3 different ribbons for this one. I did the big black and white polka dot, I did a purple and black polka dot, and then I did this fun stripe that's got the fuzzy edge to it. A lot of these ribbons are online too in sets, so if you just need Halloween ribbon, don't forget to check those out. For the black and white polka dot, I just wanted to bring in some of that off the back of the stem, just a little pop of it, so I'm only gonna do enough for a tail for this one. I'm not gonna loop it because I don't want my bow to be too heavy. So go on and cut yourself a piece. That's gonna be the back piece. Next up, I'm gonna use the green stripe. I'm gonna make 2 loops of that one. I love it with that fuzzy edge. It just adds a little bit of texture and another fun element for Halloween. We've got quite a few of them in with the little fuzz edge, and we've got some coming for Christmas, of course. Go on and cut that tail, and now do your polka dot. Let's see, I'm going to twist a couple loops and cut that one's tail too. Grab my wire. I'm going to go on and tie that off. Since there's 3 ribbons today, I'm just going to go on and tie it in a knot and then tie it to my stems. You can do it either way, where you do it all as one piece, or tie your bow off so it's in your hand like this, and then you can easily grab your stems. You're going to go in that same spot that we always go into, where you have a little coming down and a little going up. You want to meet right there in the middle so they all are tied together and secure. Lay that right on top. Tie it in a knot. And now you're ready to twist it on. I'm going to go on the right side here because I normally go on the left just for something different. I'm going to twist it right on. And then I'm ready to move stuff around. Okay, look how much that purple and that orange pops on the green. Just kind of move all your stems around. I'm gonna bring an eyeball to, of course, the middle of that bow. So fun. You can see why we sold out of them last year. They're just so fun and cute. Okay, got all that. Now I'm ready to cut my stems. Cut my ribbon corners here. Cut this one. And it's just so adorable. Again, you can go on shopdeeslouisville.com. You can get all the parts for this kit. You're gonna get the eyeball stem, the black and white stem, and then the 3 ribbons, everything you need to make this adorable swag. And please stay tuned. We're going to have so many more. The same kind of thing here. You can take this off, twist it onto your lanterns, lay it onto your bookcases, your mantles, or if you want to put it on your flagpole, your mailbox, something like that, it works great. So stay tuned.